Hello everyone, this is Mr. 13 Things doing a very quick demo, and what I'm demoing at the moment is this open source Camstudio software, and it'll be pretty short. I'm using a pretty intensive video program or pretty intensive modeler called Algodoo. If you don't have Algodoo, you are nowhere. Great stuff. The free version is great. Used to be called FunFizz, but this one really is worth dropping the $25 if you can find it in all that money that you donate to your classrooms or to your family. And I'm going to do it, just kind of do some really quick things, point you out to Johnny Lee's video in here, but I'm going to go ahead, just kind of draft a box here. And you see the color there, and I'm going to add very quickly just a hinge to it. And I'm going to turn it on now. Now you see that kind of going back and forth. I can stop it and go back, and this time I'm going to add a little bit of a swing. Turn it on. This time you see back and forth, and that's neat. You've seen a million games like that. I'm going to go ahead now and add a ball, another ball, another ball. And what I'm going to do here is then hopefully go ahead and show you that what the value of this is when you click on something and actually right click. I can do that, which I probably can't do. I'm trying to do it with my mouse here. Right, there's an ability here to click on something and right click and gives you the information about what's happening at that hinge. Not just data there, but also information right there that you use in terms of impulse and force and things like that. Angular velocity, kinetic energy, angular momentum. So that is the great value, but there is no value that's greater than the fact of playing with fake lasers. That's pretty interesting as I'm clicking on that. I'm going to right click here and change the material to be glass. We're checking mostly to see if the video, and now this is the point of playing with the lasers, and now playing with your little, watching how those lasers respond, learning about angular reflection, and whatever else you might want, and you can all of a sudden make a different laser as well, start playing with optics. The potential is huge. You see the internal reflection here. Once again, going to here and trying to do a right click. Don't have my mouse. I've got actually making a whole bunch of lasers. If you make a laser inside the glass, you get that internal reflection. The kind of things that are possible are really endless, especially if you go right click, change your material to glass. You can start thinking about the myriad of things that could happen. So that's going to be the end of our video. We were capturing at 932 by 461. Really, 1280 by 720 is a good set the dimension. We're using Camstudio, which is a free open source program. There are, if you're doing a lot of this, there are other ones out there. What's great about Camstudio is it will put it out to an AVI file. You can try to do a lot more with it than perhaps some other programs, though there are other ones out there. Camstudio is made by Camtasia out of Livonia, Michigan, and heck, you're in Wisconsin or anywhere in the U.S. or the world, you got to support innovation in Michigan. Thanks for listening.